everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and today we are talking about the Nkambule and the Mbukazi family. Yeah, the late Zanele Mbukazi Nkambule. You know, one thing I love about this family guys is ukubambana kwabo. You know, the indlela abanakekelana ngayo irrespective of izinto ke ezingamanga ezishiwo abantu la ku social media, njengokuthi nje ifamily kaMama uZanele Mbukazi yamxosha ubaba uNkambule emva komngcwabo wakhe. Both the Nkambule and the Mbukazi family bakubeka kwacaca ukuthi ke lezo ndaba zazingamampunge. Well, the family guys shared how their first Christmas ngaphandle kaMama uZanele Mbukazi was. The bishop shared a video and a heartfelt message on social media, and it reads, "I have lived in the goodness of God. Zanele Mbukazi, your chair will be empty at the table. Today your absence is too loud, but we celebrate your blessed memory. It's really not the same anymore without you, my dear friend. Keep resting, Queen. Till then, love." A blessed day as we celebrate Christ, who has taken about in our hearts eternally. I know Christmas was her favorite day. She woke up early to cook those beautiful home-cooked meal. Thank you, Sibali Wami Ukiti Zulu, for coming to prepare the beautiful home-cooked lunch for the kids and I. A few more Christmases, then we meet in that glorious resurrection morning at Christ's return, my love. Hashtag still we praise, hashtag the legacy continue. Khona guys sazoba nzima kakhulu ke, but ke bathi ke isikhathi siyapholisa, time heals. So yeah guys, bakithi cha ngiyamthanda kodwa ke umamkhulu uKithi ngendlela nje ayinikele ngakhona kulomndeni kasisi wakhe ukuthi nje asuke emzini wakhe azopheka for a Christmas. I think it means a lot even nakubantwana ke bakasisi wakhe. So nje guys, yeah, I hope nanike nuhle kahle ke uKhisimuzi nemndeni yenu. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.